I offer my respectful pranams to Shri M and all the dignitaries, the religious leaders and scholars, to the distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, brothers and sisters. Truly, it's a historic moment and historic times. Baha'is see in the revolutionary and the evolutionary changes taking place in every sphere of life on earth as interactions of two fundamental processes. One is destructive in nature, while the other is integrative. Both serve to carry humanity, each in its own way, along the path leading towards its full maturity. Baha'is are aligned to the forces associated with the process of integration, individually and collectively. The success of the Walk of Hope will depend to a great extent on how well we are able to collectively motivate our respective communities to swell the number of marchers and help the core group reach its final destination, hale and hearty, and with a renewed zeal and enthusiasm, proving to every man, woman, youth, and child in our country that India is truly a wonderful civilization. The forces of disintegration tend to sweep away barriers that block humanity's progress, opening space for the process of integration to draw diverse groups together, disclosing new opportunities for cooperation and collaboration. In that sense, humanity and India indeed is living at a very special time in its history. With this, I offer a humble prayer for healing, because the Walk of Hope is not only to instill confidence, but also to heal societies, to build communities, and to provide spiritual succor, as well as mobilize material resources for their welfare and well-being. This is a very small prayer which is chanted at the Baha'i House of Worship, the Baha'i Lotus Temple, every day. It's a prayer for healing revealed by Baha'u'llah, the founder of the Baha'i faith. Tera naam hi mera arogya hai, हे मेरे ईश्वर, तेरा स्मरण ही मेरी औषधि है, तेरा सामीप्य ही मेरी आशा और तेरा प्रेम ही मेरा सहचर है। मुझ पर तेरी अनुकंपा ही मेरा उपचार है और इहलोक तथा परलोक दोनों में मेरी आपद सहायक है। वस्तुतः तू ही है सर्वप्रदाता, सर्वज्ञ एवं सर्वप्रज्ञ। इसी प्रार्थना का अंग्रेजी में मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ। Thy name is my healing, O my God, and remembrance of thee is my remedy. Nearness to thee is my hope, and love for thee is my companion. Thy mercy to me is my healing and my succor in both this world and in the world to come. Thou verily art the all-bountiful, the all-knowing, the all-wise. Baha'u'llah's revelation or his writings are both in Persian and Arabic. So this particular prayer, the original, was revealed in Arabic, and it reads as follows. Ya ilahi, ismuka shafai, wa zikruka dawai, wa kurbuka rajai, wa hubbuka munisi, wa rahmatuka tabibi, wa mu'ini fid dunya wal akhirat, innaka antal mu'tiyal alimul hakim. With this, I wish the Walk of Hope great success, and assure that wherever the Baha'i communities in their journey are there to team up with the marchers, we will surely do that. I have been motivating my fellow Baha'is everywhere that we should come in large numbers and support this great venture for our country's future prosperity and well-being. So once again, salutations to Shri M for this wonderful task that you have taken. And as all our friends have wished you, you will surely succeed, because your labor of love shall not go in vain. Thank you very much.